Yo guys, a very good morning and welcome back to another daily market outlook, kicking it off with euro dollar. So euro dollar moved up higher and didn't really respect the overall area of supply. As we mentioned in yesterday's video, there was no liquidation in that move down. So what happens? You end up liquidating your own high. Now we moved up a little bit higher than preferred because now we've taken out this area of supply, meaning that the overall order flow is now following, let's say, the trend from this imbalance. Then we break this high. Now this sell before the buy is now your area of demand. So we should continue up higher, for example, in towards this imbalance over here, as long as this low over here is respected. Sometimes the market does react to kind of like these fair value gaps or whatever you want to call them. So if we do end up seeing, let's say, a break of this low, then I will be looking for further shorts. But as long as this low is respected, keep on looking for longs and long euro dollar back up in towards this area of supply and imbalance. That is my advice. Looking here at the 15, you can see that the 15-minute trend is still moving upwards, still looking bullish in the sense that this was the break of the low, this was the break of the high. This was just one impulse up, swing low, higher low, higher high. So again, as long as this low is respected, we should continue moving up higher. So yeah, let's see what happens if we can break, for example, this fractal high over here on the 15 and then continue up higher. That is my kind of outlook for EURUSD. Now looking at the dollar index moved it down a little bit lower. We took out this area of demand over here, okay? So we did not end up reversing in towards the highs after reaching this area of demand. So we should now continue down lower, at least, for example, in towards the next imbalance candle over here. So keep your eyes open. We could just move down lower, meaning your dollar, for example, could move up higher. Let's just follow the overall order flow down in towards in towards the downside, whatever you want to call it. So buy before the sell, buy before the sell, buy before the sell. So trend is down. Let's wait for a reversal, and then obviously still further upside continuation is preferred. Now going in towards AUDUSD, that played out to absolute perfection. As you can see, we're still consolidating here on the 4-hour time frame. Obviously, we got that change of character, which we've been mentioning for some time now. Then what happened is that this became your area of demand. We moved out, we moved back in, and we moved back out again, back up towards that 75% mark, guys. So that is range trading for you. Going in towards the 1 hour, it was a much cleaner setup. Even you can clearly see how we kind of like broke out, retested, and continued up higher. So some nice price action over there. Now that we're reaching the 75% mark, I would definitely advise to take some profits and keep an eye for a short from this area of supply again. So that is Aussie dollar. Moving in towards pound dollar. Pound dollar has been moving up higher as well, pretty much as expected. Obviously, we expected this kind of like as demand to play out. Should just continue up higher in towards this supply zone. So just follow the 15-minute trend in towards there. And keep on looking for those longs before eventually we expect the market to head down lower again. Going in towards Kiwi dollar. Over here, so what happened is that we didn't really respect anything over here. What has happened actually is that we've respected this overall swing low, so we've just grabbed liquidity underneath it, then reversed aggressively in towards the highs. So overall, this is now your sub for the buys, so we could just continue up higher now. Keep an eye out. It's again a very messy pair, a little bit similar to Aussie dollar, focus more on the 15 or on the 1 hour, for example. But over here on this pair, I don't really see a lot, if I'm very, very honest. Just kind of like keep an eye out, and what you'll see is that break of the low, now break of the high. So we could just start pushing up higher. That is kind of like preferable. So that is NZDUSD for you, especially after kind of like grabbing the liquidity underneath this low. Gold. Gold has been moving higher as expected. It's going to grab the liquidity above this high of around 23.41. Keep your eyes open for that, and long it in towards supply is what I would be looking for. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Good luck, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks.